Welcome to Jewel Vision 3D video. I'm going to show you how you can make your design enamel and pearl as well as. So let's begin. The first thing, we are going to upload one file. At the top of the corner you have the upload icon. Let's click and let's upload the 3DM file. I'm using the 3DM file. You can use STL, FBX, GLB format, and this four format you can upload your file. I'm choosing the 3DM format. This is the earring file I'm using for enamel option. So as you can see, the file has been processing. This is the full screen here. You can make it the full screen. As you can see now, our file is rendered. We have to make enamel options. So first thing we are going to do is going to select a metal. Make sure the file has not grouped together. There is a cutter over here, so there is a two different section, so joining together. So this is not a one-piece design file. So I'm going to select first metal. Using the shift and right click, you can select the metal. On the top of the above panel you have the enamel options. You can select the enamel. As you can see, the color is changing. If you want something green, again if you want to hold and right click to your metal and change the color to blue. If you have a specific color to change, if you want something more light, you can change it from here. And this way you can make your file enamel design. So now I'm going to show you how you can make the pearl options. So I'm going to upload one file that contains a pearl. So let's upload one file. I'm uploading the ring file in the 3DM format. So let's open it. As you can see, the file has been rendered. Because the file has colored with the current scenario, that's why it has chosen this color. So now I'm going to select metal from here, selecting the entire metal. As you can see, the red lines appears when you select the metal, and I'm going to change to the gold. Now the first thing, we are going to use the options for the pearl as well as. So you have to hold the options, shift and right click to the pearl, and you have options for changing the pearl. As you can see, it has changed to the pearl. If you want a specific color of your pearl, you can change it from here. Change to the white. In this way, you can change the color of your pearl and make your designs more attractive.